Hey guys, I am at one of my company's new listings on East Beach Drive. You have ocean views. You're right across the street from Ocean Crest Pier and Island Way. Walk across, do some fishing. You can get some great food over here. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 1,800 square feet, listed for $1.19. Let's go check it out. Hey guys, I'm at 1128 East Beach Drive at Latitude Adjustment. We're right across the street from Ocean Crest Pier and Island Way and the beach access right here where this red Jeep is parked. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath house. So you have parking underneath, good sized driveway. This, it doesn't work right now, I don't think, but this is a dumbwaiter. I'll show you it upstairs. They probably used it previously for groceries. Here you have the shower, which has a little changing area. It is fenced in back here. It looks like they took down the 2 gates. What's nice about second row, third row is that you get these lots that go all the way. So this one goes all the way from East Dolphin to East Beach. So there's plenty of room back here. You could add a pool. You could do a privacy fence. You do have steps that go up to the 2nd story porch and then the 3rd level porch. So this house is not lacking in porches. You have this huge storage area. Nice rocks. Let's go check out the house. So this floor plan I really like. You have bedroom, the porch wraps around. And then the quote-unquote front door is right around here. So it is a reverse floor plan. So you have 3 bedrooms down here, 1 bedroom, living room, dining room, kitchen upstairs. So you have bedroom 1 with an ensuite, bedroom 2 and 3 with a Jack and Jill. This is an owner's closet. One thing I love, and I'll point out upstairs, you have that pier, so you don't have to worry about a big house going up right there, blocking your view. So shower here, double vanity. washer dryer. So hot water heater. You have a little storage in here. See, they have a vacuum cleaner. Bedroom number 3. This one overlooks the backyard. Nice size closet. So, I mean, this is a good size room. You have a full bed and then twin bunks. And then the Jack and Jill is a tub shower combo. And then bedroom number 2. This bedroom has a little window seat, which is so cute. It looks out, you can see the pier, you can see the ocean, and then you have this little nice private deck area. And then this one actually has a door out to this back. And then you have a little nook again back here. Wind got that door. So I'm back to the front door. We're gonna go upstairs. And this is the best part of the house. You have panoramic ocean views. This goes to the kitchen. So you have these nice 8-foot doors, and they slide either way. So whichever way you want your furniture to go, have a little flexibility here. And I love the way they did the roof here. Gives it a little bit of extra character. Have room for a good size dining table. And then again, you're flexible in here how you want to do the furniture. The views are great. And like I said before, it's so nice that you have this pier here, because you should always have this view. And you can walk across the street. You can go fishing, you can go eat Island Way. Kitchen, these cabinets are solid wood, so they're great. Just replace the hinges if you wanted to, so you could have some soft clothes. It's not lacking in windows up here. So everywhere has a nice view. You have a sink view of the pier. And then this is screened in. I love this little window here. You can see one of the water towers. And then you have bathroom, bedroom, number 4 up here. Or number 1. I can't remember how I numbered them downstairs. That's what happens when I do it backwards. So water tower, a nice window up here, so there's good lighting. Closet. This is a king bed. And then you have tub shower combo again up here. And then back out to the living area. Let me know what you think.